This video will go through the updates made to the Annotations feature in Oasys 21, including the extension of Annotations to provide a Bookmarks feature. In Oasys 20, a new Annotations feature was added to D3plot, providing a convenient way to capture and reload a page view alongside title and description text, and an optional marker to highlight the relevant area of the model. For an introduction to the Annotations feature, there is a webinar recording available on our website. In Oasys 21, improvements have been made to the Annotations feature. Thumbnails provide easier, more intuitive navigation of the list of annotations. Playback tab improvements provide a better screen sharing experience. The Bookmarks feature takes the power of annotations and provides a single-click interface for when you're just interested in page views, allowing you to leave titles, descriptions, and markers until later. This video will take you through these improvements. In Oasys 20, annotations were displayed in the D3plot Annotations panel as a list of titles. This could be a little difficult to navigate if your titles were similar or if you hadn't filled in the titles. In Oasys 21, we've improved this by capturing annotations with a thumbnail, and so the annotations list can be viewed in different modes. The modes are selected using the icons above the list. You can view the list as large thumbnails for the most detailed images, small thumbnails for less scrolling, thumbnail list view, which includes the autoplay and export animation tick boxes, and finally the text list view, which is the same as in Oasys 20. You can increase the number of thumbnails that you can see without scrolling by dragging the panel wider. Finally, if a thumbnail view is selected in the Edit tab, then thumbnails will also be displayed in the Playback tab drop-down list. The Playback tab allows you to present your annotations from within D3plot with a cleaner interface than the Edit tab, so you and your colleagues can concentrate on your findings from the simulation. The overall layout is similar to Oasys 20, with text boxes showing the annotation title above the description. New for Oasys 21, you have control over the text size for the title and the description using the slider. This makes it easier for colleagues viewing your annotations via screen sharing to read the text. The text size can be saved to your OAPref file using the icon button to the right of the slider. For very long titles and descriptions, you can now scroll the text boxes as required. The text boxes also now support selection with the mouse and navigation using the arrow keys. Stepping through the annotations is unchanged. Annotations are auto reloaded when you click the left or right arrow buttons to move to the previous or next annotation, or when you select an annotation from the drop-down list. New for Oasys 21 is the Bookmarks tab in the Annotations panel. This provides a single-click interface for creating and reloading annotations, and more space for displaying the thumbnails, offering a useful tool to you when you're checking a simulation before you're preparing results for reporting. Clicking on any of the thumbnail images will immediately reload that bookmark. Clicking Capture will capture the page view to a new bookmark. When you're checking a simulation, you're likely to be using different menus within D3plot. Rather than have to open the Annotations panel each time you want to capture a bookmark, you can simply click the bookmark icon at the right-hand end of the top bar. The current page view will be captured to a new bookmark. Bookmarks and annotations are the same, so you can save them to and retrieve them from Annotations files. You can switch to the Edit tab where your newly captured bookmarks will be in the Annotations list, allowing you to add titles, descriptions, and markers. Thank you.